Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? Let's see. It is Monday, March 20th of 2023, and we are back for yet another one. What? I forgot to record this weekend. So I hope I have videos for the rest of the week. Yeah. Oh, videos. Well, those exist. Anyway, welcome back to everyone who's here. Let me say hi. Oh, the hype train is blocking it. I guess we'll do these notifications first then. JJMC, thank you for the bits. We raising them bong. Is this like a... Are you going for a raise your dongers there? Is that what that's doing? Is that what's happening? Thank you for the bits, JJMC. Appreciate it. Marsma, thank you for the resub at 28 months. You are almost at 30. Speaking of someone who's at 30, I Satisfied has resubbed at 32 months. Holy shit. God damn. And Chocojax has resubbed at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you all for your continued support. I really appreciate it. It's great to see you all again. Also, Chocojax streams, so make sure to check her out. I'm a little babby, 6 months. That's still a lot of months. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who's here. I think Marsha was first, although my chatbot, I was having trouble getting it to start. It kept reconnecting and being angry, so you're not going to be in the logs for being first, so sorry. JJMC is also here. D-Dolls, good to see you again. Eccentric Cyclops Raiders. Oh, ECR. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Anarella, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Marsma, hello, hello. Pandoxer, good to see you again. Grab his iPad. Let's go! Does that tickle your fancies about the your let's go there? Good to see you again. I Satisfied. Hello, hello. Deference. It's been a bit. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Stream not even started and there's a hype train? It's true, Marsma. It's true. Choco's got bongos raised. Okay. Marsha's got bongos raised. Who else has got bongos raised? Easy Light, good to see you again. Hello, hello. Marsha says, hi, Anthong. Hello, hello, Marsha. How you doing? Is that what we're doing? Yeah. Query said, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Dr. Margu says, Mr. Storema. Brain empty. Don't know what you mean. Difference as I tested out pre-commit today for the first time. Honestly, an amazing tool. I'm going to set it for my daily use for work and personal stuff. I'm glad you like it. It is definitely my baby. Melnatha says, where is the new bunny? What? I don't know. New bunny? I don't know what you mean. Metal Storm, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Melnatha is a bunny too, but not subbed right now. Oh, to Mop Garden? Yeah. It's Mr. Streamer in Japanese. Oh. Okay. Alright, cool. Sounds good, sounds good. Okay, so the plan for today's stream is to continue working on the ECR stuff we were doing previous stream, to get that finalized. We did run the code and it seems to work, but we gotta pack our command line tool into a lambda-shaped box and get that going. So a lot of today's stream, I think, is gonna be some Terraform. It's probably gonna look pretty similar to the auto updater Terraform stuff. So we'll hopefully be able to take a look at that. And then we have some Roost to debug. Probably, maybe, depending on how that goes. But yeah, we will do that. At least that's the plan. I also have to document the latest version of pre-commit because I made a release sometime. I don't remember when I made the release. But I haven't documented. It adds a new hook type and it fixes up some like weird wonkiness with stages. And so we'll get that into a good place. Marsha says, is it bad if I find myself writing wet and sloppy in a git commit message? I feel like we have more questions than answers if we're getting wet and sloppy in a git commit message. But anyway, let's see. Pre-commit.ci, we have ECR pruner, which we have started writing this little main.py, and it sort of works, but we're gonna hook everything else up. Qualzy, hello, how you doing? Let's see how fast it is on Windows. Ah, right, your test patch. Yes. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I guess I should do open source since last time. Yeah, we do that sometimes. It's been a bit since we've gone over the backlog here. Pay no attention to that. Thank you for the hype train chat. Appreciate it. Panaxer says, what happens between get branch and get push stays between get branch and get push. Okay. Yes. I was auditing. I was showing off all repos, and I was like, yeah, there's a few cases where, actually, peel back the stack a little bit. Pavan Kumar P! Thank you for the, wait. The notification I got's real weird. What does Twitch think it is? Twitch didn't even give me a notification. Oh, has Streamlabs finally fixed this? Yo, thanks for upgrading from a Prime Gaming sub to a Tier 1. Appreciate that. Welcome. Good to see you again. Really committing there. What the fuck? Why? What is going on here? What is this menu that I have accidentally clicked on and cannot click off of? Stupid ass thing. That fix it? Alright, cool. But how you doing? Good to see you again. When is Twitch not broken? Yeah. I don't know if you all saw the news today. I don't know if you saw the news today, but Twitch is dealing with some layoffs today. Shenjix, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. So yeah, that's not the best. But their CEO stepped down. My guess at it is he stepped down because he tried to negotiate for fewer layoffs and lost the battle and didn't really want to be responsible. But I don't know. Just my thoughts. Don't really. Yeah. That was what I couldn't talk about a couple streams ago. But yeah, such is life. Easily says, how's it going? It's going great. I'm doing well, at least. Can always interact with rebase and print it never happened. Yeah, that's true. So the conversion is just to apply when the prime expires. Oh, that makes sense. Pavan Kumar P says, on enough subscription, got gifted a sub for 3 times in 19 months. Sounds good. Oh yeah, you do have that 1.5 year badge there. Metalstorm says, we just started to migrate from Azure to AWS in the next couple of months. I mean, that's still probably a good idea. Marsha says, I'm lucky I'm too dumb to get a job. You could get a job. What do you mean? Roller says, is it anyone you know from Twitch? I don't know that they've actually done the actual layoff yet. More so that it is planned. But I also don't know. I think they have not actually given the notices yet. But I have no idea. I'm not on the inside. I don't know. 10K mental AS, 9K more Amazon. Job market is going to be boiling competitive. I mean, it depends, because people that work at Amazon or Facebook aren't necessarily the type that will work at other companies. Necessarily purely competition. I mean, it's certainly competition from a talent perspective, but they tend to not be the type that will apply to the same positions, if you know what I mean. Devon says, supposedly the tech bubble burst recently. It's hectic. I've been getting recruiters calling me left, right, and center. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna continue chilling and doing what I do. Foster says, just try the llama language model. It's pretty unhinged. I don't know what that is. Help me plan an assortment of legal things. Ah. Marsha says, sorry, I'm a negative bun. I should go rewrite and re-push the thing I worked on so you can review it. Ah. Am I reviewing your code? Which cods are we looking at? Do we want to look at it today, Marsha, or do you want to look at it some other time? What do we want to do? QuerySet says, we all know metaclass is just a class whose instances are other classes. Can you explain how to use them and what you'd want to? Because for me, it gets difficult. 99.99999, probably almost 100. You might as well consider it 100. 100% of the time, you don't need a metaclass, and you should not use a metaclass. So how to use them? I mean, you probably don't need them. Why you'd want to? You probably don't want to. That's the honest answer. If you're reaching for metaclasses, you might want to reassess what you're doing. Grandma's iPad says, do you prefer merge or rebase? I will rebase my feature branches, but I will merge into the main branch. I do that specifically so I can know whether things are merged or not. Papa Comer P, thank you for the gift sub to the Endless River, who has now been subbed at 19 months. Wee Tommy, hello, how you doing? Then how will I be able to tell people I've used them? Oh, metaclasses? I don't know. You could do some like plain sort of fiddly stuff. I mean, I've shown them off in a few videos, so you can look at the specific use cases. But even in those, I'm like, you probably don't want to do that. Lovekey, thank you for the resub at 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Bellon says, today's stuff got broken because of Pi and then remembered your video about it. Yeah, the Pi launcher. The Pi launcher coming for everything. Metaclass equals. Yeah. So if you want to look at episode 188, 247, and 516, those are 3 different YouTube episodes where I talk about meat classes. Midnight Boo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Alexi, welcome to the stream. Hey, yo, how you doing? Leonis River says, I was quietly lurking and suddenly got called out. Yes, welcome, welcome. Pickled Ravi says, if I want to get started in Python, should I start on Codecademy? Oh, Pi, like not the Pi launcher, the PyLib Pi. I can't explicitly recommend Codecademy. I don't have any stake in that game, so I don't know whether it's good or not. But if you want to see my advice about getting started with programming, check out this video here. That is sort of my quick rundown of how to get up to speed. The TLDR of the video, although I do want you to watch it because it makes my YouTube stats better. The TLDR of the video is learn the syntax of the language through like basic, problem sets and that sort of thing, and then build projects to bake in fundamentals and to learn technology. That's just generally how I go about doing things. Yeah. Wee Tommy says, I finally convinced my work to install pre-commit.ci. Yo, let's go. Well, I'm gonna I'm gonna peek at that. Dynamo TV describe table name plans. Oh, look at that. That number's bigger. I'm not gonna leak your company. No, don't worry about it. I just want to see this number be bigger than last time I looked at this number. Because last time I looked at this number, it was 26. So five more paid accounts since last time I looked, which is kind of cool. I have a hash table. Like a table where I store my hash. I don't own any hash. Soapy! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What a great name. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so what we built last time is this thing called ECR pruner. This is sort of based on some ideas of a service that existed at Lyft, which deleted old unused Docker images. And we're doing the same thing, but for our pre-commit.ci images. Mostly in that, if I go over 50 gigs of images, then I have to pay money. But if it's under 50 gigs of images, I don't have to pay money. So yeah, we're just gonna delete old ones. Easy. FJ Finch, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Good to see you. In theory, GitHub should charge me for this too, because I'm pretty sure if we look at the GitHub packages for this repo, how do I even do that? Packages. Where the fuck is packages? Oh, is packages per org? That'd be per org. Loomcoom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think it's in the settings tab, so I gotta do it off screen. Packages. How do I see usage? Settings. Packages. Public, deleted. Where the fuck is usage? Anyway, it's a lot. Because there's a couple hundred tags and each of them are multiple gigabytes. Basepath says, I just docker prune and pray I pushed all my images to ECR. Yeah, docker image prune-a. That's only for local. I'm talking about a registry, so it's a little bit different. Basepath. Also, hello. Good to see you again. How you doing? He's running an illegal hasher-dashery. I don't think that's how that works for you. This one and Marsha's PR. Wait, Marsha, what did you want me to review? Do you want me to review your PR or do you want me to review your project? And do you want me to review it today or do you want me to review it some other time? You didn't answer me. Oh, later. Maybe not today, later. Oh, you did answer. I'm just dumb. Not the PR. Okay. Your project sometime. Okay. Sounds good. Install Roost with toolchain. But how? But why? But how? Why didn't this work? Install Rust with toolchain. This must have stuck it in the wrong directory. Might have been based on the environment variable. So I probably broke this, but broke it for a good reason. Oh, by the way, the other thing that I'm doing right now is I am studying the Pokemon Scarlet speedrun. Yes. Because I am going to be part of Twitch Rivals this week, this Wednesday and Thursday. So you all should stop by and I know it's not programming, but look with your special eyes, it's me. I'm gonna be playing some Pokemon. Day 1 will be speedrunning, and day 2 will be VGC competitive battling with an in-game team. So I will be hopefully learning the speedrun, and then hopefully executing it fairly okay. I gotta practice a bit. I really only need to practice the first part and like have notes about the routing. So I've been following the route of this speedrun, and I've gotten up to the 1.5 hour point. So I think I have the beginning of the game is the hard part. So I really just need to watch that and learn the route and play the like candy collection part, and then I'm pretty sure I'm good to go. But yeah, are we doing a speedrun practice stream? Probably not, because I kind of want to just I kind of want to just hang out and not do it on stream. I don't know. I'll think about it. It's Blammy. Hello, hello. How you doing? It's been a bit. Good to see you again. Ready to Die says, in your opinion, is it still relevant to start learning web dev in 2023, especially with the arrival of AI and its models? I feel like you bypassed the chat filter. Yes. Computers will never really be as good at doing critical thinking as humans are. They're really good at regurgitating garbage and not good at, you know, synthesizing things or problem solving or other shit like that. Because they can't. They can't. That's just how it goes. Booty Boa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So will you be automating the fights, just watching your bot destroy everyone else? I will not be doing that. I'm gonna make an actual team. And then I don't know how to play VGC, so everything from what I know is predict people. It's like chess, kinda. So maybe it's not that bad. Automate the speedrun using Python? Nah, there's too many variables. It's really hard to do movement. I was thinking of scripting money acquisition, just because acquiring money in Pokemon takes fucking forever. But I don't know if I'm gonna need it. We'll see. I'm basically just gonna EV train and mint and call it good enough. Are you saying we're not good at regurgitating garbage? I mean, yeah. Lexicon, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'm sure you'll do well. Yeah, well, it'll be fun either way. And I don't really care about making money, but there's some cool prizes, so like, I don't care if I win. I think I'm gonna have fun either way. And I think, like, I don't know, this whole thing started because I was like, I think it would be cool to say that I did Twitch Rivals once. I'm gonna be a little Babby streamer amongst a whole bunch of other giant streamers, and it'll be fun. Maybe I'll be in a Wolfie video. I don't know. That would be kind of cool. Yeah. Sarab, hello, hello. Groovepunk says, have you ever done anything in Python Turtle? Once during an interview, and I don't know. It's a fun little demo thing, but not really that interesting, in my opinion. Onwards. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hassan says, do you have any videos on how you do pull request reviews? Yes, I do. I do have a video roughly on my philosophy of code reviews. It doesn't specifically go into the details of it, but it is code review adjacent. We'll put it that way. I also gave this as a talk at GitHub Universe. What the fuck? Why is this? There we go. You could check this one out. Remove the timestamp for you. Exorcism says, what is your opinion? Oh, Corey says, what is your opinion on Exorcism / Tracks of Python? I don't fucking know. I have no opinion. I have no opinion. I think the Windows stuff ran slower. What? Yeah, the Windows builders are really inconsistent, so yeah. Sergeant Zidane says, why using Windows with Linux? Why do you give a shit? Why do you care? What is it to you? Would you rather I just use Windows? Alright, it's a Windows stream now. This is what you want? Compiler TV! Hello, hello, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. My team and I just started using Sentry, coming from New Relic, and boy, it's a big difference when it comes to app error tracking. GJ. Oh, are you enjoying it? That's good. That's good. Alright, so we're gonna work on ECR pruner. Let's open up a command prompt here. We're gonna see into our workspace. Ooh, do I have an SH token? Probably not. Let's see if it clones. Probably need scripts first. Let's see if this works. Let's see if I can get it on my password manager. I don't know. I'm nervous. Paste, enter. Oh shit, it works. Wow. I am surprised. I am surprised that it worked. Okay, so if we can push, we can hit init ECR pruner. Okay. The bit's gone on enough. I made my point. I can go back to doing real things. This was a bad joke. All right. Sentry's pretty cool, especially the people that work there. Just realized I still haven't worn my sentry socks. I think they're in the box still. Well, you should get them out then. Okay, anyway. So, ECR pruner. This is going to look very similar to auto updater periodic. King Beat says, is the reason that you still use Windows to play games? You can just watch the video. There you go. Oh, we already have this clone. Nice. That's good. That's convenient. Okay, let's see. What are you? What if it were you sitting up on that wall? If it were you in that sandwich, you wouldn't be laughing at all. Oh, this was when I talked about system design interviews. Okay, yeah, that can still hang out there. Auto updater handler, I think, is how we did this before. So we can make ECR pruner touch this init.py, move ECR move main to ECR pruner slash handler.py. Fixter Jake! Thank you for the resub at 33 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, fuck. We're on March 3 years worth. Anyway. Marsha says, commands test GC took 29 seconds to call this time. I touched nothing in there. Not even listed in the slowest on the other workflow job. That's so weird. That's so weird. Huh. Feels like we're still in the COVID times. I mean, Costco has declared that COVID is over because they took down the big like glass panes in front of the checkouts. Like, oh, COVID's done. We don't need these big glass things anymore. Oh, we're fucking doomed. We're all gonna die. Employees can take it now? Yeah. I mean, I would be pissed. I'd be so pissed if I worked there. But what are we gonna do? Picture Jake says, doing good. Had last week off. Signed a lease on a townhouse. Yo. Nice. Now to schedule movers. Movers. Picture Jake says, my doctor declared it today. Got an email from him dropping the mask mandate in their offices. Insane. Well, I will continue to wear a mask until the end of time. Because it's kind of great not getting sick. A little bit, you know? At one quote for 2.5K? Yeah, moving's expensive. Moving's expensive. I'm glad I'm not doing that again. Well, hopefully not for a while. At least. Hopefully not moving for a while. Because I'm happy in my house. I moved 2 years ago for like $800. Nice. Always wearing one indoors? Yeah. I mean, I don't wear them outside, but yeah. Tommy says, I'm not getting recognized when solving crime. Solving crime. Yeah, that one. Stonkfish. Hello. How are you doing? You changed your color. You are now a different green. But I hope you're doing well. Okay, what do here? What else do I need? I need reamd. Actually, let's just get ls files. And then we'll just copy over what we need. Oh. Echo deactivate to deactivate Dutch. LNSF, we have been activate Dutch. Okay. We need. Oh, this is not gonna have prod. This is only gonna have dev. Interesting. Maker, GitHub. Oh, we'll just copy the whole thing. Auto updater periodic. GitHub. Dot. RM, GitHub, workflows, deploy prod. These don't reference anything. Perfect. Okay, we got our GitHubs. No. Git ignore. And PCI lambda. That one I think we need to change. Name is ECR pruner. Ethan! Yo! Thank you for the resub at 41 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Been a while. It has been a bit. How have you been? I hope you're doing well. Hope things are going well. Jake says, I'm very excited for the townhouse though. It's a brand new build, so we're gonna be the first people in it. It's very nice. Oh, a new build. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real nice. Blackfish says, I must be poor because I've never paid for moving except for U-Haul. I have only ever done U-Haul as well, or equivalent moving truck things. Actually, I think they've all been U-Haul. Yeah. I did, when I moved to California, I mailed myself everything. Which mostly worked, except for my computers, which were all damaged. Never doing that again. But I also drove a U-Haul from California to Michigan, which I would not recommend. It was kind of nice to be a little alone with my thoughts for the 4 or 5 days that it took me to do that. But it was a lot. I had a lot to think about. Yeah. But I don't know. I would not do it again, but it was certainly an experience. One of the few who beat me. Yeah. Doing well. Been nice to have a bit of a break. Yeah. I could use a break. I think we could all use a break. You mailed yourself to your house? No, that would have been funny. Yes, slap me in a box, stick a label. Stick a label on my ass. Let's go. Let's do it. Did I go through Texas? Why did I do... I did WinKey R to type maps.google.com. That is not what I want to do. So the route that I took was... I started in San Mateo here. I went across the bridge. And then I want to say I went up one of these. I think I went up 680 to 80. And then took 80 all the way up here. I took 80 like the entire way. So went through Nevada, went through Utah. Salt Lake City was the spookiest part. Gabby Burnett, hello. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 2 years, which would get you a fancy badge, but you already have the fanciest badge. You've already got the little fancy founder badge. But how you doing? Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Salt Lake City, yeah. Salt Lake City in a U-Haul was wild. It is very 80 is extremely windy and spooky through here, and everyone's going really fast, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go 60 and not roll my U-Haul because that would suck. But yeah, then through Wyoming, then through Nebraska to Iowa. I did stop somewhere in, I forget where. I stopped on the border of Wyoming. This border? No. This border? Yeah, I think I stopped in this little town called Pine Bluffs. I don't know. Oh, wait, no. I stopped on the border. Yeah, no, I stopped in Westover. Sorry, Nevada. Nevada, Wyoming, they're the same fucking state, right? But yeah, it was a long drive. I was exhausted afterwards. But everything made it in one piece. Nothing broke. Did you sleep in the U-Haul with your mattress in there? My mattress was one of the things I decided not to bring. That was one of the things that I let go with the move. So I stayed in hotels. Visho, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 80 in Nevada is so empty. Yeah, also the speed limits are a lot higher there too, so you can go much faster, which is cool. Internet says PyCon in Wild, Utah. Yeah, I will be at PyCon. Are you gonna be there? Hopefully you're there. I'd be nice to see you in person again. It's been since fucking 2019. But yeah, I will be at PyCon in Salt Lake City. So if any of you are also going to be there, then I will see you there. And I will have my stickers. I will most likely be at the Sentry booth for most of it. Which is fine, but I might go see a talk or two. But honestly, I'm more looking forward to just hanging out. Average American grocery store visit. Did your dad go and get milk and never come back, wee Tommy? That's rough. Meat sauce. Hello. How you doing? Been a while since I caught you live. Well, you're here now. How you doing? Raphael, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Trevor, good to see you in. Nevada is empty outside of Reno and Vegas. Yeah, that's a lot of the flyover states. Dogfish says, I wouldn't dare take a U-Haul above 80 or above 60. Ha. Well, let me tell you, they can go pretty fast. They shouldn't, but when you're going straight, what are you gonna do? Picture says, non-essential travel stuff, no bueno, so we'll be staying home. Yeah, that makes sense. That's understandable. Tommy says, it was a joke referring to how my American friends say they're going shopping, then proceed to drive for an hour rather than walk across the street. Yeah, our cities are designed for cars. They're not really designed for people, which sucks. It would be nice if things were more designed for people. Even cycling would be great if things were designed better for that, but alas, such is life. Trevor says, my U-Haul wouldn't let me go above 70. I got passed by big rigs. Mine must have been unlocked or something, because I'm not going to talk about how fast I went, but speed limits are just a number, right? More like speed minimums. Rick Shake says, I want to get into cycling now that I'll be in a more neighborhood kind of thing. Last time I had a bike was college. I love cycling. And oh god. Yeah. I am big fan of cycling. So okay, what changed here? This is auto update test. Oh yeah, I doubt that this actually makes things faster. Because oh, I just misspelled disappearing. Interesting. The reason this probably doesn't make things faster is because this repo alone isn't slow, but this is probably still a good patch. There is a helper for this. You probably want to comment out this code or delete this code, rebase it out. Yeah. But yeah, I don't expect these tests to be made faster because it doesn't actually install the Python stuff, so it doesn't go through that slow part. I don't know why these are slow in Windows. Nice spelling, yeah, yeah. Really loved it in college, but it was more so I could sleep in an extra 5 minutes and make it to class on time. Hey, there you go. Stockfish says, I drove from Vegas to Zion in the middle of the night. Scariest thing I've ever done when there are warning signs every mile for cow crossing. Oh. Oh. Um, there's this really fucking depressing sign in Illinois. And I moved in like June. And there was a sign that said something like 903 wrong way drivers have been killed in 2021, which is just so sad and like shit that I did not need to be hit with a big feels bomb as I'm driving down the highway. But yeah. Anyway. Yeah, it's Marsha's code build on this. Ladjar, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Yeah, it's pretty fucked. Yeah. I don't know what they were trying to achieve. Like, oh yeah, look out for people going the wrong way. Or were they like, oh yeah, that's something you can do? It'd be interesting to see whether the introduction of the sign made it worse or better. Although, there's absolutely no way they could double blind it, and there's a lot of other factors that go into that. Scare the driver straight works every time. Oh, fuck. Ah, yes, I'd love to be forced to think about death while driving on a lonely highway with nothing else to do. Yeah, it really puts the morality into perspective, doesn't it? Okay, anyway. Yeah, we're gonna try and figure this out later after we get the ECR pruner stuff working. But first, oh, I was talking about this. Yeah, I was showing I was showing off all repos to try and find a repo that had submodules so I could find a situation where .git is not a directory but is instead a file. Because there's two cases, there's probably more. I know of two cases. One is for submodules and the other is for work trees, where .git is actually like a little file. It's like close to YAML, but it's not quite. But it's not a directory. And so I was trying to find examples of that. So I was using all repos, and this repo came up, and I was like, oh, I thought I got rid of submodules in here. And the answer is yeah, I did get rid of submodules. So there was just an empty file. So I deleted the empty file. But anyway, explanation of that. They were trying to make Anthonk emoer. It's a slippery slope. Tommy says, reminds me of a road in the UK where the angle is perfectly set up for a bike rider to be in the car's blind spot. Oh no! Oh, Tom Scott did a video on it. They fixed it. Nice. Relevant XKCD. Warning, you're in a box on wheels, hurtling along several times faster than evolution could possibly have prepared you to go. Next 5 miles. It's pretty good. Also possibly several miles beyond that. Yep. I am very behind on XKCD. I used to read it right when it came out, but I feel like I stopped. Well, in high school, my friends and I were always like super excited when the XKCDs come out, and we would huddle around the school computers and refresh until they appeared. I think when I graduated high school, I didn't like I lost that. No one wanted to do that anymore. So I just haven't really caught up since then. But I am a big fan of XKCD. I think about a lot of those comments, a lot of those comics very often. Like this one. I literally referenced this comic yesterday. This is probably, is this the one? No, this is not the one. This one. This one. I literally referenced this one yesterday. I love this comic so much. This is the best. Of course, I was talking about whipping cream and cheesecake, which is a little bit different than than nachos and cheese, but this is one of my favorites. I'm currently in the I have cheese phase of this cycle. I am also in the I have cheese phase of this cycle. But yeah, this was my yearbook quote in high school. I kind of want emo Anthon back and Hackerman Anthon. My hat is downstairs, so I can't pull off the whole thing. I just have the glasses, which, yeah. Picture Jake says I have a custom one by him. He went to my college and came back for a talk and made a custom one for special CS department shirts. Yo, that's so cool. I'm so jelly. Ethan says, yeah, same. I haven't been reading it regularly as much. Yeah. Yeah. I really like the what ifs. Those ones are really good. Marsha says, can you gist me up a Python regex to extract the owner repo from a Git URL so I don't have this weird half regex, half split thing? I actually have a thing for that in my dot files. However, it doesn't support all remotes because I only use a particular remote structure. Where is this? Git. Is this one? No. Lol. This should be remove prefix and remove suffix. Which I can probably actually do. Now that I think about it. What was the one I was actually thinking of? Maybe it's in all repos? It might be in all repos. That is not the commit I wanted. That's not the thing I wanted. Yeah, it looks like I do the same thing here. Fuck it, good enough. So many match SH and HPS. Yeah, but why would people clone over HPS? HPS kind of bad. Just, I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I would just support SSH because fuck everything else. What's wrong with HPS? It's not SSH. Yeah, there you go. You can watch this video. Can I clone over HP instead of HPS? Not anymore, at least not with GitHub. But HP is worse than HPS. HPS is okay. SSH is good. HTTP be bad. But the S in SSH and the S in HTTPS stand for the same thing. Don't you know that HTTPS stands for HTTP sucks? Got him. I would believe it too. Okay, fucking let's do this. What am I doing? All right, ECR pruner, CP unupdated periodic pre-commit config. Yes. But we need a reamd. And I know the reamd has a token in it, so you're gonna look at my face for a second. ECR pruner. Yes, yes, yes. Dirty Data Official. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Oh, it doesn't have a token because the token's off screen. Look at that. Compiler TV says, every stream I'm watching of you, Anthony, I'm always here just watching your YouTube videos instead. Nice. Nice. Unlux McGee says, how do you handle SSH deploy keys? As it seems like I need to manually add them to the SSH agent if I need to run git pull. Manually add them every time? You should be able to just make a persistent SSH agent. I don't know, I'd have to see your code. Monkey are good, and I like them, is just followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Interesting name. But you do have a good point. I was thinking remote get URL might either be HPS or SH one, but I can just ignore the HPS one. Yeah. If they're wrong, fuck them. Okay, Lambda. All right, you're still got my face. Yeah. Lambda triggered by CloudWatch events, which removes unused ECR images. ECR unused Runner images. Yeah. Let's do this. ACR runner images. Seems a little silly, but okay. We got the REMD. We need requirements. Let's just copy that one from the other one. I'll update our periodic requirements. Minimal. What are you? Code-to-vaults coverage PyTest seems fine. And then requirements minimal should just be Boto 3. Boto 3. What am I doing? Runner VM bin upgrade requirements. There we go. Oh, that's gonna be wrong Python. Try this instead. Thungfish says, "Don't look at my Boto." What did you? Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's actually some drama in the Twitch Rivals stuff because yeah. There's some drama because people want the rules to be different than the rules are. Oh shit. Good news, the copyright claim on your video was released. Wow. Holy shit. Copyright claims. From my stream with Juice, because her background music is copyright free, but for some reason they went through Content ID, which is just really annoying. Wait, why didn't you use 3.8? Oh, because it's a controller. Yeah, no, this is fine. This is fine. Requires dev.text. It's fine. Whoa. In my head, that sounded more like, "Don't look at my butt." Oh, I see. I understand. Let's look up CFC. Sinit.py. Alright, what is the actual code here? Make ourselves a virtual env. Here's the comment for context. Tribble is the former president of the university. I heard that CNU only invited me back as a ruse because they realized I never turned in my final paper and want my diploma back. But if it turns out it's for real, I'll see you Wednesday at the Ferguson. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Amstron says PyEnv or VEnv. They are not equivalent technologies. So you can't say one over the other. They do not solve the same problems. Yeah. PyVM, of course, yeah. Right? Just to make things more confusing, there was a thing called PyVM. Alright, what are you, handler? Do you have useful things? They will probably make function because it's gonna get called by something else. Prune, which takes dry run as bool and cut off days as int and returns none. So then we can take all of this cod and put it in here. Then instead of returning integers, we will return none. And then we can call prune with args.dryRun and cut off days equals args cut off days, and then args dot Cool. We need pi virtual env. Yeah, yeah. Add a little pi m virtual env wrapper. Yeah. Just need to make your development environment as much of a Matryoshka doll as possible. Factorissimo. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So, how do I want to do this? I kind of want to test this, but at the same time, how do I get away without testing? English? Yes. English, please. Despite my last name being Italian. I do not know enough Italian to speak any of it. What is that emoji? It doesn't tell me. So we will use my favorite little trick. Import Unicode data. What? What? This is what I see. How the fuck? How the fuck is this smiling face with tear? What happened here? What is this? What? What? Anyway, that's weird. Julianov, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Watching Bird says I see it fine. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Very weird. Saw your last name, thought you were Italian, now they're sad. Yeah. Is it normal on mine? I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, very weird. Wonder what the... Well, when I copy and pasted it, it was right too. So it's not like it's a bit flip. What is the onion? Onion emoji. What does it look like in Twitch for me? No, that's different too. What the fuck? What is going on here? That's so weird. It's not even the onion one. Anyway. Cursed. Absolutely cursed. Anyway. Okay, so I think I can mock this and do this and mock the date. Yeah, we're gonna write an actual test for this, I guess. Not a problem on my machine, the developer, yeah. Ship your developer machine to prod, and that's how we got talking. Mr. Haste, hello, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Tests, ECR pruner test.py from ECR, it should be handler.py. Handler test. From ECR pruner.handler, import prune. Yeah, well, we're just gonna import handler because we need to do some mocking. We're just gonna mock out this. This is fine. From unit test, import mock. Mock.patch.object. Handler get used. Used tags. Not how that works. We can just do return value equals tags. What is this supposed to get? The partition value version. Say that we got this. Oh wait, this should be a set. Why is this a list? Should obviously be a set, not a list. Cool. The copy paste box shows a little box like it's invalid, but when I copy paste it in Discord, it shows the little globy thing. Oh. Yeah, weird. Very weird. Very, very weird. Huh. I got nothing. I got nothing. Boofcock says, in all honesty, is the split keyboard a flex or does it change your experience? What a weird question. Do you understand how you sound by asking a question like that? Like, that's got to be like the douchiest way you could ask that question. Right? Like, you could come at that at a completely different angle without being a prick about it. I mean, I sound like an Irishman? Well, it doesn't give you an excuse to be a prick about it. You could be nice. Or you could read the FAQ. That would work too. Originally says, doing good. Have you had any interesting / funny situations while onboarding to a new company / employer? My situation at Lyft was kind of funny in that the team I was onboarded onto was like 4 people and everything was on fire. And my mentor did not have time to onboard me, so I just onboarded myself. I don't know if that's funny or just like sad / necessary. But Syrup King, hello, how you doing? Well, Irishmen are all it's an honest question. Well, you can watch the video on it. It got linked above when Stonkfish did the keyboard command. But yeah. I think he uses it so he can put the fidget spinners between them. It's true. This one makes too much noise though. Depends on your definition of funny. Yeah, funny in like a morbid, sad way versus funny in a funny way. But yeah. Okay. Anyway. We gotta make this return the right value. Fixture def mocked describe image tags with mock.patch.object handler.client. Oh, we gotta prevent the client from existing in the first place. Oh, how do we do that? Where does client get used? Hopefully just in that function, right? Yeah. We're gonna do this like this instead. Yeah, don't mock the client. That's usually a bad idea, but okay, whatever. Voto 3 client return value equals PCR. Let's do this. Mk dot describe image tags that return value equals Wiktionary with image tag details. Be a list of dicts. Wolfred, thank you for the resub at 8 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. How you been? How you doing? It's kind of funny. For example, my VPN YubiKey got lost in transit. That reminds me of when I onboarded at Stripe and they didn't fucking send me a YubiKey. So how was I supposed to log into anything? Yeah, that was a fun one. That didn't totally fucking suck. So I was like, well, I guess I will just read docs for a few weeks until I get a YubiKey. And I was like, I could order one online, but they were like 3x the price at that point. Everyone was doing that. The Train Penguin says, hi, what are you working on today? I am making a new service for my startup-y thing called pre-commit.ci, where it will delete unused Docker images so that I don't go over my 50 gigabyte quota and then have to pay money, because I don't want to pay money for this part. Yeah. Okay. Image tag details. It just has image tag, which will give some numbers. So let's say we have latest full. And then we'll do some old date. 2023. Oh, we're gonna have to mock the date too. Balls. Going to have to mock the date too. So 8 date times all first. Oh man. Wow. Well, we don't have to mock the date, do we? We don't have to mock the date. Sniper says, my friend gave 3 days notice at his current job based on his pressure to start quickly at a new job. Then it took him 2 weeks to get him a computer. Should have just pocketed the new money too. Like, don't even quit at that point. If you're remote, I guess. Maximus Maximus says, hey-o, what's happening? How you doing? I'm doing well. We are working on an ECR pruner. We're writing some tests right now. Marsha says, I was looking up remove prefix to see if it was super old because of the naming, but it's from 3.9. Why isn't it remove underscore prefix? Mostly so that it matches all the other poorly named things. Spoiler, he didn't stay at the new job very long either. Oh no. Mocks all the way. Mocks are kind of shit. I'm only using them now because I'm just writing a quick and dirty test and I'll deal with it later. Fucking daytime. I guess I could. Yeah. I'm not going to test the boundary because I don't really super care about this boundary. But datetime.date.today. What if we stir you? Oh, that works great. That works great. Datetime.date.today. Dash dead beef. So this one will not get pruned because it is fine. This one will not get pruned because it is used. Within threshold? Does it have 2 H's? Do. Sure, these are representative. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. That I was the only one that hates them. Yeah, mocks are usually a indication that you have not properly separated your business logic from your side effects. Which is almost entirely true here. Like, this is big side effect. This is big. I mean, not really a side effect. It has an external dependency. Whereas, like, a true function would probably take this as an input and then return back the things that it would or wouldn't prune. But I don't care. This is literally like a write once script, and I just want some amount of test that ensures that it still works, without like worrying too much about it. So this is a bad test. You know, do as I say, not as I do, sort of thing here. This is not the best. The Train Penguin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. My current job sent me a laptop with the wrong charger. Oh no. How? Did they? Psychedelic says, "Do you have a favorite Linux distro?" I mostly just use Ubuntu because I know it really well. So I guess that would be my favorite. I don't super care. Where's my chapstick? Did I not put it? Oh, unless that one's unopened. I'll get it when I fill up my water. Arch, by the way. Yeah. It's not Arch. Well, that's for damn sure. Okay, dev test would prune images cap sys, and we need mark.use fixtures, mocked used tags, and mocked describe image tags. Cool. All right. So we're gonna call the function that has a side effect dry run true. What was the other? Cutoff days equals 2. And then I bet we don't sort these at the end. Oh, we do sort them. Look at that. Out capsys.readout error. Assert out is equal to. Oh, this is not sorted. But it's sorted here, so it'll be good enough. Any thoughts on the Amazon layoffs today? 9,000 more people were laid off. Yeah, I talked about it a little bit earlier on stream in that, you know, layoffs are always unfortunate. I don't know anyone personally affected, but that doesn't make it more or less unfortunate. Yeah, I don't I don't have anything really to add to that other than it's an unfortunate time for people to go through that. It's always an unfortunate time to go through that, but Bob Truefan says, "Oh man, that reminds me when I was sent my company machine. I was all set to receive a MacBook, and when the box arrived, all it had was a Dell charger in it. Wait, it didn't even have a laptop." Murderbeer says, "Mental health check. How you feeling today?" I'm feeling great. I'm having an absolutely awesome day. They sent me the wrong MacBook charger size. It eventually got sorted though. Oh, interesting. I don't think anyone knows who's affected. It's supposed to happen in April. That makes sense. That makes sense, Skyward Dev. Yeah. Damon says, that makes it 24,000 people in the last 6 months at Amazon laid off. Whoa. 27K. That's a lot. Is it supposed to be victim, not culprit? Or am I getting it wrong? What do you mean? Here? In my code? Where I'm using a variable called victim? No. They're supposed to be victims. They are the ones being they are the ones being killed. So victim is the right word here. Okay. Used tag, or wait, used tag latest, used tag latest full. New enough tag. Ah, fuck. We gotta put the date time in these. Damn it. Oh. Huh. So the problem is, yeah, I'll write this bit and then I'll tell you the problem. The problem with this test is, as it's written, this fixture could set up at 11:59 p.m. and then this test could run at 12 a.m. and this date here would be a different date than this date here. So there's a date time flake here. It's way too easy to write these date time flakes. Fortunately, the fix for this is something like this. Yeah, and in fact, even between these two calls, the date could change between this call and this call, which would throw off the test too. So I am going to do, oh, we can just do this. We can just make it global. That way it'll always be the same. But it's way too easy to fuck that up. Way too easy. Yeah. Goomba Raider says, Bro, if you will written in Python Russian subtitles for your translations, it will be great. What? What does that mean? What do you mean? Like, you want my stream translated to Russian, or? I don't know what you mean. I wouldn't even know. I don't even know where to start to set that up. I have no idea what you mean. Leaf. Today that'd be full. And then use tag. This one. And then this one. Oh, have I fucked up? I think I fucked up. And I think we got lucky. Yeah, I fucked up. This is gonna show a bug. Alright, cool. I'm glad we're writing this, because this is broken. Yeah, this code is wrong. Okay, well, when the test runs, we'll see the bug. Watching Bird says, do you enjoy running tests? I do. Bob Tree Fan says, are we vimming? We're not. Russian Python. Guys. Will it always be the same? What if we want to mutate the global variable? No. Stop it. No. J-Man says, is meta the next AOL? Is it not already? Not already AOL? Is meta the next Yahoo? I mean, probably, maybe. Is the subtitles extension to translate the page? Huh. Python education in Russia has the price 2,700 USD. I don't know what that means. I have no idea what that means. I don't know what that means. Well, for with the facepalm, yeah. Okay, but anyway, there's a bug here, so that'll be a fun one when we run the test. Would delete these tags. Has anyone spotted the bug? Here, when we run the test, it should be obvious. Well, when we run the test, this should be obvious. Here, there's the function. We'll see if you can spot the bug. PyTest is not defined. I found the bug. Yeah, that is sure. Yep. That's totally it. You got it. You got me. That's the bug. Here, I'll give you a hint. Here's the line that will show the bug. Have I had to garbage collect? Nope, that's not it. That's not it. We look here. Where's Young? We look here, the image is always gonna have the non-full version. And so the full version is gonna get garbage collected. Yeah. I should probably always make sure that we're deleting an even number of victims. That is probably a good assertion. Assert len victims equals mod 2. We're gonna stick this in here. Just a little safety net. Why does it say nothing to do? Why did it not run through all the things? Because I needed to do return value. Return value dot. My mock is bad. Assertion error 3. Draw that redstone. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. No. Even my mock is even demonstrating that the test is buggy too. So this should have both of the tags in here. And now the test should pass, but this function is broken. So we'll test the use tags function and then we'll be good. Test used tags also gives full. Little bit of JSON. URL request, URL open. I need to make it a new bytes.io each time. So we need URL open, star I, star K. Burn this. URL open. We need to be able to call multiple times? Yeah. Ret equals handler.used tags, and then assert ret is equal to this. Should have another failing test. I could spell also. Ledger says, I know enough Russian to be a decent tourist. I can read it, find my grammar sucks. Have I got the 3? What 3? Isn't that a dict with dissociative disorder? Oh wait, it's a set. Yeah. Ending with Wilfred says, next failure, Eurolib is not defined. I win. Where's my babbies? I got them. It didn't happen. You don't get your babbies. Le Kexon! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. How are you doing? And you should be failing. Extra items in the left set. Empty string. What? What? Oh. Right, because this is supposed to say runner image this. Runner image colon. Okay, so it should still be failing. Yeah, okay, good. Rent.end, tag dash full. Now the test should be passing. Sweet. It's log exit. Okay, well I don't know French. Your GitHub account will soon require 2FA. Well, it's already enabled. So why are you sending me an email? I don't care. You will no longer be able to disable 2FA. Huh. Cool. Thanks, GitHub. Why you gotta send me spooky email? I don't need spooky email. Wilfred says, are we doing a juice stream this week? So we were supposed to do one tomorrow, but with the news of today being Twitch's layoffs, Mel is extremely busy this week. And I also need to prep for Twitch Rivals because I haven't done that yet. I'm partway through watching the speed run so that I can understand the routing. And I gotta practice. Yeah. So we're gonna do it next week instead. The Cordelia says, is it easy to bring economics to data scientists? I don't know what that means. Is he to learn data scientist for an economics person? I still don't know what you mean. I don't have a good answer for you. Game practice stream tomorrow? I don't know if I'm gonna practice on stream, but maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Coverage arrays, coverage run, PyTest test, coverage report. Cool. I'm going to pragma no cover this because fuck it. Handler. Oh wow, this is literally just calls main. Interesting. I guess I could have tested this and called. Yeah, maybe we'll do it that way. Maybe we'll just do it this way. Lambda handler. This will be too long. Oh, but we can just do object. Nice. Because we don't actually care about the type there, because we don't read its values at all. And then main can be argv sequence stir or none. And we can pass in argv here. And then in here, instead of calling prune, we can call main with dry run and cutoff days equals 2. And we can do that. Now if we coverage, it should be 100%. Oh. Well. And we're high enough percentage. Good enough. Big stream? Maybe. Originally it says, imagine there's Python 4 coming out and you can implement any feature/change you want. What would it be? Delete the whole language and start over. No, I don't know. Um, 92 is the new 100? Yeah, it's true. Or, don't even not have it set up here. Is auto updater periodic really 100%? Seems unlikely. Somebody says, which version of Python 3 is the best? I would say 3.6 is the first version that was good. Yeah. I would say 3.6 was the first version that was good. Small dict saved Python. Yeah. Python would be fucked if it weren't for small dicts. Average report. Fail under. We'll just put 90. Guido in the bin as well. Lolly cat girls. That is a uncomfortable username. Welcome to the stream. Archer says, I want to watch the stream so much, but also trying to write code, and I can't think at all, so I feel like I should mute. That's fine, that's fine. Yeah. Prioritize your own stuff over mine, of course. Get commits, allow, empty. Empty initial commit. Origin. Commit CI, ECR, pruner. Set up our repository. Repo. Yeah, fuck off. Oh god. Imagine I could create something in GitHub stars. That would be wild. Okay. ECR, pruner, private. Oh, we can just give it pre-commit.ci directly here? That's kind of nice. I like that. The first commit's gonna fail though. Git push origin head. Initial commit. We're gonna do the cursed command, chat. I ran git add dot. Do as I say, not as I do. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, this looks right though. And we don't have any references to auto update, so that's good as well. Oh, but we need to set up the infrastructure first. Yeah, let's do that then. Terraform. Can't believe you'd add your PCI lambda.json file. I haven't really thought of a better way to do this. Yeah. Luckily he uploads his VODs. Those are nice to have in the background during break. Yeah. Yeah. Zizap, hello. How you doing? I didn't see anything. Hassan says, where should I DM you if I want you to check a pip package I published recently? You can post in beginners on the Discord. Adderlord, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Or you can get 25,000 channel points and request a code review. But my time is extremely limited, so I will not likely be able to get to your particular problem, but maybe someone else will. It is also usually a good idea to come with a particular specific question and try. Oh, no, that's not the video. Explains importance. And check out the structure for asking a question from this video. Abdullah, hello. Original Mr. Hayes says, I had this unexplainable love for Python, probably because it made me productive. Some time ago, I took my programming languages from Dan Grossman. I was so pissed no one in my country in my 15 years of programming hadn't taught me or told me about functional programming /ML, SML in this case. And since then, many things started to bug me in Python. Sorry for the wall of text. So, sorry I read it with a funny voice. I thought it was a copy pasta given the start, but then I got partway through and I was like, oh, this is just a legitimate message. Oops. Alasama, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Preox is here, who just says meow. All right, how you doing? Bold as love, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay. Where is this supposed to be? Well, we need to roll. I know I need that much. Terraform. You had to go with the flow? I mean, it's kind of impossible to know whether something is copy pasta before you read it. And I don't really pre-read messages on stream. I just kind of say them. So sometimes people say absurd shit and I'm just like, okay, not reading the rest of that one. That's how it goes. Okay. So we need at least this. Oh, it's all gonna this damn file, isn't it? Okay. So Lambda ECR pruner assume. Okay, and then we need a role. Wilfred! Thank you for the gift subs. Welcome to Subdom Meat Sauce, Remixy, Topographies, Scooters TV, and Skyward Dev. There's your buttons, Wilfred. You happy? Wilfred says, a boy named Anthony with chest hair like taco meat, unique and elegant, a trait he wears with pride complete. Maybe I shouldn't have read that one. Luxexet says, to be fair, you have to have very high... This one is a copy pasta, isn't it? You have to have a very high IQ to understand functional programming. The paradigm is extremely subtle, and without a solid grasp of category theory, most of the concepts will go over a typical programmer's head. There's also Lisp's parenthesized prefix notation, which is deftly woven into its specification. Its impredicative philosophy draws heavily from mathematical logic, for instance. I want those brain cells back. Okay, roll. I am roll. Oh, except I gotta do... Oh, I already pasted it. Okay. Lambda, ECR, deploy, assume. No. Lambda, this one. Yeah. ECR, deploy. Sorry. Okay, lambda ECR deploy .json, I think? Yeah. Oh, I gotta do .0.json because all of these resources are conditional, which makes this a real pain in the ass. Not enough congestion in that reading? A monad with X is just a monoid in the category of endofunctors of X. Shaking my head. Yeah. Yeah, SMH my head. That is, how it goes. Mr. G, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay. So now we get our policy document for our actual role stuff. ECR deploy permissions. And we need to be able to do lambda things. We don't need to do dynamo things, but we do need to do ECR things. Actions equals, I don't know what they are. Oh, do we have a repository up here? Oh, we do. We do. What is your name? Runner image. Runner image dot zero dot arn. I gotta put this little conditional thing. And I gotta figure out what the actions are. I am actions ECR public. I want the table. The server says, what does this count thing do? So Terraform doesn't really have if statements. Well, it has ternary, but it doesn't exactly have if statements. So what I'm doing instead is conditionally defining this resource, and you can do that by using count. So it's a little jank, but it works. I haven't looked it up, but my headcanon is that Arn means a random name. I think it's... I don't know what it stands for. AWS resource name? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. Is this what I want? Where's the table? This is for ECR. What about ECR public? They're probably the same though, right? Probably something lame. Yeah. Probably something fucking lame. Actions. Yeah. Where is your list? Where's the table? I don't want examples, I just want the table. Imagine? Yeah, here we go. Sorry, I gotta make this big so I can read the table. Okay, what are the APIs we're using? We are using ECR pruner. Handler clients. We're using describe image tags. Is there a thing for that? Describe. Oh, that is not where that window went. Describe image tags. Hey, there we go. Repository star. What's that mean? Where's the star? What do you mean? What is this? What's the star? God, I hate when they do this. Where's the fucking footnote? Hello? Oh my god. It's not anywhere. The top? Oh, I saw the word asterisk. Asterisk. Resource types. You must specify all resources. Required resources are indicated in the table with an asterisk. Okay. Seems fine. Alright, so what was the one that we needed? Image tags. Describe image tags. So we have ECR public this. We also have bulk delete. Batch delete. Batch delete image. Okay. That should format. What are you doing? Ah, you all found it before me. I see. Whisper says, have you used the AWS policy generator? I have not, but I feel like it might be garbage. But I also don't know. Why didn't you reformat? Well, I guess I have a syntax error somewhere. But I don't see it, so... Yeah, something's broken. That's fine. It's fine. We are just going to continue on as if it is working. Go Knight, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. ECR deploy. Permissions. ECR deploy.0.id. I wish I could just conditional this whole module. That'd be even easier. ECR deploy permissions.0.json, I think. Yeah. That should give us our role. I have a comma somewhere. It should just fix that for me. Like, you know what I mean. Okay, so it's back to being formatted. Good. Cool. So next I need to do the CloudWatch stuff. Lambda, well, I need to do Lambda also. Lambda auto updater periodic. Oh, this is easy. Do the lambda first. ECR pruner. ECR pruner. ECR pruner dot handler dot lambda handler. Is that what I called it here? Dude, look at that. Don't need any environment variables. AWS, no. ECR pruner roll or lambda ECR pruner dot 0 dot arn. Okay. Schedule thing. ECR pruner. How often do we want this to run? You can just run the same time as auto update day. Oh, I wonder if I can just schedule it from the auto update day one. Nah. Nah. Doo-doo-doo. Zebra, hello, how you doing? Feel like there's no way this is going to work. But we will try it. Add ECR pruner lambda. It's your chances are at least 2. Well, you know what? Then we can do a little gamble. Is this terraform going to plan successfully? Oh, that fits. We'll give you a minute. We'll give you a minute to guess on whether it plans cleanly or not. But how's our gamble going? Wow, we got a lot of people on yes, or a lot of points on yes. Reacts put a bunch on yes. Wow. Kexit put a bunch on no. Okay. All right. At least I assume it's Kexit. I don't actually. It only shows your. Yeah, it's Kexit. It only shows your Korean name. Your Queeb name. Steve Bendito says, I just got here and I don't even know what's happening, but I voted yes. Nice. 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 Let's go. The faith. The blind faith. Okay. Let's see. Let's see whether your faith is grounded or not. Kexit says, I never trust you. Oh, that's a weird thing. That's a weird thing. Why don't you trust me? Surely you trust me for some things. You probably run software I've written. But you at least trust that much of me. Do 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 do. Well then. Let me log in to figure out what broke. Yeah, that was fairly predictable, to be honest. I was not surprised at that fail. You have security keys? No. Rip. Sorry, believers. Well, unless it's not my problem, which is possible, but unlikely. Wow, they both failed too. That's even weirder. All right, let's see what we got here. Reference to undeclared resource. The IMRL lambda ECR pruner has not been declared. God damn it. Okay, that's me. That's me. Choose outcome. No. Fine. Doubters win. Doubters win. It will never work on the first run? Well, let's see if we can get it to work on the second run. I am policy. I am roll. Oh, this should have this is the wrong name. Lambda. Lambda. There's no real reason to prefix it with that, but okay. How about a new prediction? Same prediction as last time. Bet your points. Wait a minute, or 3 for the second round. Give me at least 10 points to gamble. Oh. F. F. Bonus box, 60 points. Nice. Ugh. Sorry, I'm just processing through my email so that everything is marked as red for the things that don't matter. Big spenders? Oh, man. Yeah. Poop champ put 10k on yes. Damn. Exit put 5k on no. Huh. Wow. That's a lot. Well, there's a lot of points in the a lot of points in the pot in this one. What did I fuck up this time? I am roll. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh. Wait. Oh no, it was right. This was... Wait, I'm so confused now. This one... One of these is for... One of these is for... Okay, this one should not have changed. This one should have been this. This one... Looks fine to me. What the fuck was the error before? Ah, rip. Whoops. Here's outcome now. Sorry. Sorry, Hoop Champ. Oh, out of water. I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec, and then we'll figure out what I should have seen, but didn't instead. So I'll see you in a sec. Hi, chat. I'm back. Did you miss me? Probably not. That's fine. Yeah, we gotta debug Terraform. My favorite. Hi, backward chat. Are you now? Are you now? Kexit has set the MOTD to, you've never used lambdas? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm even having this conversation. Here I am, a seasoned veteran of the programming world who has been using lambdas like a boss for years. Do people even still say that anymore? And I'm being mocked by some novice who doesn't even know what they are? I mean, come on, it's not rocket science. A lambda is a simple anonymous function, and they're incredibly useful in functional programming. But of course, you wouldn't know that because you've never even used one. Where do you keep getting all these terrible programming-related copy pasta nonsenses? Steven D just says, oh, so you're a programmer? Name every programming language. Yeah. Flirpin Merpin says, terraform me, baby. No, you gotta say terraform me, daddy. That's how it goes. That's what the kids are saying now. Zebro says it's a battlefield. Yeah. Okay, maybe I deserve that one. Let's see. Let's go back to the old error messages. I feel like I just misinterpreted it. Let's see this old run. So the old run, undeclared resource. The managed resource alias imrole ECR pruner has not been declared in the root module. Alias IAM policy lambda EC. Oh, so this is the actual bug. This is the actual bug. Let's go back to before my amend. And then this is the wrong policy document. No? This is the wrong policy document. This is the wrong policy document? This is the wrong policy document. This needs an assume. Yes. You make virtual enums and containers? I do. Virtual enums everywhere. All right, let's see if this fixes things. Git add -u. Git commit amends, no edit. Oh, I guess we can do another prediction. Yeah. Another prediction. Bloop, bloop. You got 10 points? All right, well, bet him. Bet. Virtual have all the things. Indeed. I don't have a problem. You have a problem? Wow, little teeny tiny bets this time. Oh, there we go. Hoop champ, you've still got some points left. Nice. Oh. They're not good. Oh. Be a good thing. Oh, someone wants to buy pre-commit.ci. Let's fucking go. Okay. All right. Oh, a big no right at the end. Kexit doubting as usual. I mean, that is probably fair. Someone wants to buy it? No, they want to pay for it. Apparently, if you have your GitHub account set up in a particular way, then you can't purchase marketplace apps or something. Seems to be what it said from my little skim of their thing. So I don't know. Anyway, let's see. The icon's red, but that doesn't necessarily. God, really? Lambda ECR deploy assume has not been declared? It. M. Galignana, thank you for the sub with Prime, which gets you a fancy new badge. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How do I pronounce your name? Thank you for your content and help with the PR. Oh no. I don't remember which PR it was. Oh, did you add the pre-rebase? Is that you? Is that the PR? Oh, it is you. Nice, nice, nice. I did not put 2 and 2 together. Pre-rebase. Oh yeah, look at that. How do you want me to pronounce your name, by the way? The fuck? Why? What is wrong here? ECR deploy assume, yeah, okay. We've got lambda ECR pruner assume. We have ECR deploy in a bunch of places, and it should be ECR pruner. Pruner. This is the actual deploy. Also the deploy. This is also. Oh, this one's the fucked one. Should be pruner also. Okay. That should be a little bit better. Choose outcome now. Is there a lender for Terraform? There is. But this sort of needs to execute it for it to happen. My cat just started snoring real loud, says Fixture Jake. That's pretty funny. I swear I'm good at programming. Alright. One more? One more prediction? One more gamble? I feel like they're coin flips now. I don't even know. I don't even know. Alright, let's see how this prediction goes. 5th time's the charm? Yeah. Oof. Easy Light's got some points on yes. Oh, we got small bets this time. You've all cashed out. Who's our doubter? Hassan is our doubter. We got 5 yeses. Pretty good. Streamers can't cast a prediction on their own channel. Imagine, right? Oh, these are tiny points. Where's the gambling spirit? I shouldn't encourage gambling. That's not a good thing. Gamble responsibly with your fake internet points that don't mean anything. Nope, Kegsit's put a bunch on no. CD backslash. Yo, how you doing? Good to see you again. It's been a bit. I hope you're doing well. Has put some on yes. Alright, we'll see how it goes. How's our Gambo? Oh, did I push? I did. Do I refresh? Oh shit, it's fucking green! Let's go! I gotta wait for prod to be green also, but that was green. +6. That sounds right. That's maxed attack. Prod should be +0. Sick. Let's go. Or Kegsit, you won all those points just to lose them. Choose outcome. Yes. Sweet. Arnold Schwarzenegger says, "Stop your whining." That's a terrible attempt there. I should have just not even. Why did I do that? I am the president of California. All right, let's actually apply this. The one time I would have made 12 points, Twitch doesn't increment. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, you should have gotten more points than that. Oh no, what are the 3 question marks for, Zebra? But why? Oh, this song loops. Let's see if YouTube has fixed their playlist thing. All right, somebody remind me at 8:20. We'll see if it's still looping. Oh, you had 0. Oh, okay. Okay, that's fair. Come on, Terraform. Let's see it. This should be a no-op, so it shouldn't have to do anything. Looking forward to caching my babbies for a code review. Certainly a possibility. I don't know why it takes so long to do this at the end. Like, I don't understand that. It doesn't make sense to me. And thanks, code reviews are pretty solid. Yeah, I usually try and put decent effort into it. I can give you a lot more domain-specific knowledge in Python, but I can review basically anything. Often when I review things in other languages, I give more commentary about the language than other things, but that's just from my familiarity with things. Yeah. Okay, Terraform succeeded, so the next step should be to push the actual branch. Initial commit. From typing sequence. Missing argv. Oh, should be equals none. I rate them approve out of 10, yeah. You're saying just say LGTM and sending it isn't the way to do all reviews? What a novel concept. Okay, this is gonna show the little token, probably. You're gonna look at my face for a bit while I look at the little token. Right, review my own code. Yep, there's the little token. It's not the right little token, but it is the little token. I should probably update it to the actual little token. Okay. Oh, I can actually do that, can't I? Yeah, I'm gonna update it to the real token. While this happens. So give me 1 sec to slap this in the reamd. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Ta-da! I need my car inspected this month. Oh, I need to take mine in to get a software update that apparently is going to take 8 hours, and to fix a window that's not working. It's not properly working. That token feels like a big token? What? What? Okay. That looks good. Oh, we gotta add our branch protection. Yeah. Require status checks. Pre-commit PR. And then main. 8. Oh, I called it a little token. That was weird. You see that? That was weird. Huh. A little token that feels like a big token? Is that what's going on here? Okay. It was good to me. Oh, we gotta check all those boxes, don't we? No wikis. Issues maybe. Already have projects unchecked. Allow auto merge, auto delete. Yeah, this seems fine too. Let's see if it deployed properly. Wait for the tests. Huh. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to get to this today. Unfortunately. We'll see though. Yes, service says I built a Flask app for a class and plan to upload it to AWS. The idea is to use Lambdas plus API Gateway and S3 to store uploaded images and serve them. I also have a SQLite database. How could I use it / store it within the Lambda? Well, you could, well, I don't think you would actually be able to get that to work. Because you can't guarantee that there will only be one requester of your Lambda. So you can't use the same trick that I did for my Pokemon scraper. My Pokemon scraper can assume it's the only executing copy. So it can self-modify. I would maybe try and look into DynamoDB because there is a permanent free tier that you would definitely be able to fit in. Yeah, that's what I would recommend, is change your database to use Dynamo. But it's a document store, not a SQL store, so you'll have to necessarily adjust how things are working. Okay, I think this is still fucked because we're still hearing this song and it's 8:20. We're gonna give it 40 more seconds and see if it loops, and then we'll know it's fucked. Okay, I think this is done. Knock on wood. I don't really know. F? No, I haven't dropped any frames. Each request triggers a query and or does pagination. Could EFS work? Huh. SQLite and EFS. Alright, is it read only? Is your database read only or is it read write? If it's read only, just slap the thing in your Lambda bundle. If it's read write, then I don't know. I don't know. I got nothing. Jake says I'm a bit lucky. My dealer only has openings on the 31st. Oh, yeah. I had to book my software update like 2 months out. So I think I called them in January, and I'm only just getting it today. Well, not today, but soon. How do I actually validate this? I guess we could just run it. Okay, definitely looped. Fuck that stupid ass thing. It's read write. I did the zip it trick with Heroku a few times and it worked great. Yeah, that'll work if you're the only person and if you're the only request. But otherwise, it's probably not going to work. Probably going to have a bad time. All right, AWS. One. Paste. Copy this. MFA, I wish you let me use security keys, but you don't. Much better than this TP garbage. Just rub my computer instead of typing in numbers. Okay, Lambda. Why are these not in order? This is like pretty annoying. Oh, I logged into prod like an idiot. It's not in prod, it's only in dev. I gotta log in again. OBS, dev, paste, copy. Write TOTP code for dev. What an idiot! Yeah. You're gonna be stuck in database consistency hell if you think it's read write. Yeah. RDS micro? Ugh. RDS is expensive. Okay, Lambda. And we have ECR pruner. Wait, these are in an entirely different order. Why would they do this? Why would they do this? That's so annoying. Okay, test. Even though this is prod. Bloop. Save. Test. Succeeded. Oh, okay. This output is a little weird. 317 is used. 317 full is used. Latest and latest full are used. 318 and 318 full are new enough, so they weren't done. Okay. That seems good. Seems like it works. Huh. Yeah, I don't think I have enough time to look into that Rust thing today, so I think I'm gonna just call it here. I'm gonna go watch some more speedrun and yeah, prep for Twitch Rivals. Let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Check those out there. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch those on my VODs channel. They no longer go up on Twitch because of DMCA, so subscribe here if you want to see previous streams or previous content. That's where that goes. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. The other is the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. Also note, special announcement, I will be participating in Twitch Rivals this week. So on Wednesday and Thursday, 2 to 6 Pacific time, stop by for that. I'm going to be playing Pokemon. I know, it's not my normal programming content, but come cheer me on nonetheless. I'm going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be speedrunning the first day and competitive battling the second day. So it should be fun. We'll see. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.